Okay, Iceberg. So these guys are building a kind of Web3 workspace that allows people to go about their official duties, probably within the app. So I don't really know how it works, but let me just go to their Twitter handle and read a few things they wrote there or they tweeted out. Introduce Iceberg. We thought it was about time we properly introduce ourselves. We are building a Web3 workspace that has everything you need, from calendar, planner, notes and spreadsheets to a whiteboard, a proprietary CRM system, and a decentralized data warehouse. So that's basically what their utility is. So how do you maximize your mining activity here? So basically, once you click on the link, it's going to bring you to this page. When it brings you to this page, where you see this get after 5 hours 23 minutes, you click on it to start mining. So Iceberg allows you to mine 6 hours every 6 hours. So once your 6 hours is exhausted, your coins, the mining is going to pause, so you have to come and claim before it continues mining again. I think it's about 100 units you're allowed to mine per 6 hours for now. So when you click on these tasks, you come here and execute all the tasks you see here. It will take you about 2 minutes to execute these tasks. And then to invite friends, when you invite up to 5 friends, you get 1,000 units. So let me see how many friends I've invited. I've invited up to 10 friends and I've earned 1,349 units so far from them in total. So that's the cumulative Iceberg I've been able to earn directly from my referees. So Iceberg is quite simple. There's no big deal about them. Yet. We just wait for them to execute their utility and launch their token. So that's all for now. So embedded on this video, I've added to the description the registration link. You can use my registration link to register on Iceberg. All right, cheers.